turning your engine 1N to 1. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Look as well on the compressor. Everything nice. Altimeter without any damage. And on this side, everything nice. Engine's not broken. Same as well like a starter. Look as well on the gearbox. We didn't see any damage. And on this side, everything nice. Engine's turbo on the good conditions. On the top, plastic cover without any damage. And on the bottom, also without any leaks, no cracks. And turning your engine 1N to 1.